Hi friends, welcome to all of you in Basic Vedic Mathematics Course. In our last session, what we did? In our last session, we've seen how to find out the square root of perfect square numbers. So what we are going to do today? Well, now we have finished the square and square root also, squaring of numbers and then square root. Today we will see cubing of numbers. So in particular, we will see the cubing of numbers close to base. So today's topic is cubing of numbers close to base. I need not tell you base again and again. Base is 10, 100, 1000, right? So the numbers which are close to their base, how to find out the square, the cube of those numbers. Well, now for that you have to remember one formula in algebra is that a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. I think you understand it. Here I am denoting this a as the base. A is the base and b is the difference from base. A is the base and b is the difference from base. For example, if you say that you find out the cube root of 12 means 12 cube, then here base is how much? Base is equal to 10. Nearest base of 12 is 10. Well, if the base is 10, then the difference from the number is 12 minus 10 is equal to plus 2. Well, 12 plus 2. So, here A is the base and B is the difference from the base, and so this 12 cube can be written as a plus b means 10 plus 2 whole cube. I think you understand this. A is considered as the base, b is different from the base. 12 cube, in 12 cube or 12, the base is 10 and the difference from the number is 12 minus 10 is 2. So 12 cube is nothing but 10 plus 2 whole cube. If it is 10 plus 2 whole cube, now let us do the cubing. Remember this thing, what you have told you right now. Where to find out? Let us try to find out the cubing of numbers close to base. Let us try to find out 12 cube. And here the number is above base. So there may be two ways. The number may be above base or the number may be below the base. Say the number is 9 cube, then it is below the base, below 10. Here it's 12, it's above base. Now let us try to find out the cube of it. Now 12 cube can be written as what? 10 plus 2 whole cube. And now use the formula. It's as simple as that. 10 cube is equal to how much? 1, 0, 0. 3 times 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, which is equal to 1000. And then 3a square b, because this is a and this is b. 3a square b is equal to 3 into 10 square into 2, which is equal to how much? 10 square is 100, 3 into 100, 300 into 2 is 600. Well, then 3ab square is equal to what? 3 into 10 into 2 square, which is equal to 3 into 4, 12 into 10 is 120. And then b cube is equal to how much? 2 cube, which is equal to 8. And if you add all these, you get 1728. So 1728 is the 1728 is the cube of 12. So by just applying this formula, you can write down the steps and immediately you get it, right? You can do it very quickly because you need not write it. 10 cube is equal to this, all that. You just write 1000, 3a square b. Mentally also you can do 600, then 120 and then 8, 1728. Add this, right? At least you will not have the difficulty of multiplying all the steps, particularly when their number is bigger, then it will become very easy. Let us do the next sum. The next sum is 103's cube. Here again it is above base 103 cube, which can be written as 100 plus 3 cube. 100 plus 3 cube. So 100 cube is how much? 100, 0, 0 and then 0, 0. Right? And then let us take it 3 into 3a square b is 300, 3 into 100 square into b is 3, and how much is this? This comes to your 3 into 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 into 3, right? So it becomes 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and this becomes 3 into 3, 0, 0, 0, 90, 90,000. And then after that 3 into 100 into 3 square, AB square, that is equal to 3 is the 9 into 3, 2700. That is 9 into 2700, just 3 square, 9 into 3, 27 into 100 is 2700, 2700, and then b cube is 3 cube, and that's equal to 27, it's equal to 27, and the total becomes 1092727. Just add it and you get the answer of 103 cube, rather than multiplying everything with long steps. Well, I think you have understood it. Let us do the next problem. It's now taking an example of below base. We have taken the example of 2 above base. Let us do the cubing of, say, 98 cube. 98 cube, 98 is below the base. The nearest base is 100. If the nearest base is 100, 98 minus 100 is the difference, and the difference is equal to minus 2. Here the difference is negative or it is minus 2. And if it is minus 2, then what you are going to write? 98 cube is nothing but 100 minus 2 cube. Well, 100 minus 2 cube. Here again we will apply the formula. A cube is equal to 100 cube, and 100 cube is equal to 100, 00, 00, and then 3a square b is equal to what? How much? 3 into 100 square into minus 2. Remember this thing. 3a square, here b is minus 2. And if you take b is minus 2, then it becomes your minus 6 into 100, 00. So here it is 100, 00, 00, and this is equal to minus 00, 600. 600, this 00. And then 3a square b, 3ab square, 3ab square, I think you can see it, 3 into 100 into b square is minus 2 square. And that's equal to minus 2 square is 4. 4 into 3 is 12, into 100 is 1200. So add it here, 1200 plus 1200, and then b cube is how much? Minus 2 cube is equal to minus 8. So write down here minus 8. Now when you this, add this 1 1 0 0 0 this with 1 2 2 0 0, and the negative part add this 6 0 0 0 with 8. So in the total ultimately it comes to 94 1 192. Just add it 8, then your these two you have to add 1 0 0 0 0 0. That means it how much it becomes. It becomes 1 0 0. You cannot see it from that side. Well, so if you can do it, if you can just add it and then reduce the negative numbers, then you will get the answer as 941 192, and that is the cube of the number 98. Okay, so 98 cube is equal to 941 192. Let's do another problem. Let us do another problem. Let us do 103 cube. That's a little bigger problem. And now let us do this problem 1003 cube. Here A is equal to 1000 and B is equal to 3, right? So the first is A cube. A cube is 1000 cube, which is equal to 1000 Then 3A square B is equal to 3 into 1000 square into 3 is equal to what? 9 into 1000, 9 into 1000 and 000, and then 3 into 1000 into 3 into 1000 into 3 is 3 is a 9 into 1000 is equal to 9 into 3AB square. So I'm sorry, it should be 9 here. Well, so it should be 27 and 0 0 0, and then 3 cube is equal to 3 cube is 27. So if you take these things here, 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Only thing is this is bigger. There is nothing, no issue at all. 1 0 0, then 0 0 0, and then 9. This much, and then it is 27 0 0 0, and this is equal to 27, and the answer of this total number becomes 1009027 and then 027, because by adding 2 7 0 here, 7 here, 2 here, 0 here, 9 here, 0 1, the answer is 1009027 Well, that's how we're doing this problem. I think you have followed the example. It's very simple. Only thing is you have to follow the formula A plus B whole cube. A plus B whole cube, and you have to remember when it is to be taken, the B is minus or the B is positive or negative, right? By following that, a very big example, you cannot multiply 1003 into 1003 into 1003, that's a big problem. By following this A plus B whole cube, A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube, by following that and by writing these steps, you can easily find out the cube of the bigger numbers which are nearest to base, which are near base. So I think you followed it today. What you have done today, you have found out the cube of numbers which are near base, right? I think you have followed it, and if still, and I'll give you some examples to do. If you can do it, and then if you can find any problem, please do ask me, or I can really respond to your question. Let us do some problem here. Give some exercise to you. The exercise is 107 cube. Let's take a smaller one also, 95 cube. Right? Then 203. Let us take example of near base. 98 cube. 1002 cube. A smaller one, 17 cube, and 1009 cube. Well, these are the examples which you can do. You can follow the questions. If you can try these questions yourself by applying the formula, which is very simple, you will understand that question. So I hope you will do these questions yourself, and if you find any difficulty or any problem, please write in the comments box. I'll be happy to respond to your questions. Also, if you have liked this video, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and please share it with others so that others can also learn Vedic mathematics by joining this course. So what are you going to do next time? Next time we are going to do something different. We have seen the cubing of numbers which are near base. Now the next time what you are going to see is the cubing of numbers of 2 digits. Any 2 digits. How to find out the cube of numbers of any 2 digit, which not necessarily near the base. Well, that is our next session. So till the time I meet you again with my next topics, all the best. Please take care of yourself.